Whether you're struggling to ever get any woman's interest, or you're divorced, you're getting back in the saddle, or even if you're really comfortable with the attraction game and you're just playing the field, on some level, you're probably experiencing frustration with the opposite sex. Now, there are 3 building blocks to having a great love life and interacting with women in a way that's easy and fulfilling and fun, and might even lead to true love. And obviously, your ability to communicate with women is the first key. But where most men and most dating coaches and pickup gurus all go wrong is trying to hack communication so that you'll trigger certain biological status cues and come across as cooler and more confident than you really are. And that's great. But carefully managing the way you communicate with women it's exhausting and it's hard to keep up. And you end up triggering her BS meter at some point because you used a hack, you're faking it. You never really grow your confidence in what you actually have to offer her as a man. And that's the second building block, your self-trust, your confidence, your baked-in beliefs around women and love and sex. And most men are in damage control mode here too. Virtually every man, of the thousands of men I've worked with, had a serious truckload of negative, mostly irrational beliefs around women and sex and their own masculinity. And finally, and most confusing for most men, is understanding what love is all about and why most humans, both men and women, actually want it more than they want just sex. Now, how to really enjoy the emotional aspects of your relationships with women. A lot of men fear this stuff, I get it. But again, you don't want to look at it as something to manage rather than enjoy, because getting good at this stuff can fuel what you want more of in your life with women: attraction, fun and playfulness, sexual passion. So here's the deal. I spent months creating a free, scientifically designed love assessment quiz that's going to help you to quickly and easily identify the one solution tailored for you that's going to make the biggest difference for you and your dating life and turn frustration into ease and confidence and sexual fulfillment. It's a powerful tool. It's gotten great results for my private clients, and it could give you exactly the deep insight that you need to get a new and powerful result in your love life too. Are you ready to discover your number one love obstacle and start enjoying the kind of attention and respect and attraction from women you deserve? Or are you just a little bit curious? Then click here right now and try the free quiz for yourself and get a custom tailored prescription for quickly and easily getting control over your romantic destiny. It could be a profound game changer for your love life.